What is going on YouTube? It is your boy ZDB Shoes back for another video, and today is a very special day because I will be opening my first ever mystery box. Now, I don't have the money of all these big YouTubers who are buying $1,000 mystery boxes and even more than that, $3,000 mystery boxes like Harrison Neville and SB Mitch and all these guys. But basically just went on eBay, bought a HYPEBEAST mystery box, and it was valued at $75. So figured I'd give it a try. So let's just dive in, guys. Let's see what we got. And kind of worried about it already because if you can see, this box is not really big enough to fit any shoes in. So hopefully I got some high shirt or pants or something, but let's just go ahead and crack it open. Have here, oh, looks like we got a hat. What kind of hat is this? Okay, Tommy Hilfiger. Not sure how I feel about that because the listing said like Bape, Supreme, stuff like that. I know you can't buy a lot of that stuff for under 75 bucks, but I was definitely expecting something other than Tommy Hilfiger. All right, that's our first item. Let's see, what else do we have in here? What is this? Looks like a Migos t-shirt. Back up a little bit so you guys can see that. Basically just says culture on it. I don't really think it's a nice brand or anything. There's no brand, and I kind of think it's been worn, but anyway, let's move on to our next item. What is this here? Socks. Okay. Stance socks with Cameron on them. Cameron, is that how you say his name? Cameron? It's like, I don't even know who this guy is, but I think is he a rapper or something like that? Anyway, these are really high socks. Definitely not gonna be wearing these. Hopefully I can sell these somewhere. So far this mystery box kind of sucks. Looks like we got another t-shirt here. Okay, Calvin Klein. That's not bad. The guy actually messaged me, and let's see. It says Calvin Klein there, and on the sleeve it says jeans. It's not too bad. Let's see, it actually has the price tag on there. It says $39.50, so that's a pretty good item. I'll give him that. Just a simple Calvin Klein t-shirt. That's good, I guess. All right, so let's see what the last item is. And it is a Michael Kors shirt. Just a simple design, it says MK on it. And it's apparently MSRP for $69.50. Pretty sure he probably got that on sale and took the sale tag off, but if it MSRP for $69.50, I guess that's okay. So to recap, we have the Michael Kors shirt, the Calvin Klein shirt, the socks that I'm never going to wear, this Migos shirt that I probably would wear, and this camo Tommy Hilfiger hat that I definitely won't wear. So overall, that mystery box gets like a C-. Even though it probably had some good value, there are really no HYPEBEAST items in there. But anyway, guys, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be doing more mystery box videos if you guys like this one. Peace.